Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel friends. Today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater and muffler and shawl and stall. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 10 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 10 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 10 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 23 stitches on my needle, 20 stitches multiple of 10 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches, and here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip and stitch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat from here to here, which is purl 5, 2, 4, 5, knit 1, purl 4, 2, 4. This is 10 stitches pattern. We count this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again, we repeat this pattern. How many stitches you have? So one more time. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Now last 2 stitches, purl 1 and knit a stitch from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. In this row knit as knit and purl as purl. Second row and every wrong side rows we make same. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The last 2 stitches, knit 1 and knit a stitch from wrong side. Second row is completed now. Third row right side. Slip and stitch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Just repeat from here to here. Purl 4, 2, 4, knit 3, 2, 3, purl 3, 2, 3. Again we repeat this pattern. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. So here we complete 2 times repeat pattern on last 2. Purl 1 and knit a stitch from right side. Third row is complete now. Second row wrong side, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip a stitch, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Last 2 stitches, knit 1 and knit a stitch from wrong side. Second row is completed now. Third row right side. Slip a stitch. From here we start our repeat pattern. purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 2, 1, 2. Just repeat from here to here, knit purl 3, 2, 3, knit 5, 2, 4, 5, purl 2. Again we repeat this pattern, so one more time. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 2, 1, 2. Now last 2 stitches, purl 1 and attach stitch from right side. Fifth row is completed now. Sixth row wrong side, knit as knit and ball as ball. Slip as stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2, 1, 2. Let's repeat from here to here. Again we repeat this pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2, 1, 2. Now last 2 stitches, knit 1 and attach stitch from wrong side. 6th row is completed now. 7th row right side. Slip a stitch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, purl 1. Let's repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, purl 1. Last 2, purl 1 and attach stitch from right side. 7th row is completed now. 8th row wrong side. Slip a stitch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, knit 1. One more time. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, knit 1, last 2 knit 1 and attach stitch from wrong side. 9th row right side, slip a stitch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. One more time. Purl 1, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last 2, purl 1 and attach stitch from right side. 9th row is 10th row wrong side. Slip a stitch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1, purl 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more time. Knit 1, purl 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last 2 knit 1 and attach stitch from wrong side. 10th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 10 rows. After repetition of 10 rows, this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.